Hi guys, here we go again. For today's video we will give you some of essential photography tips if you are just a beginner. Learning the art of photography is fun and fascinating at the same time. Photography is now much easier than what it was back in the days, when photographers need to expertise a lot of technical knowledge about photography before they can actually start. But now with the advanced photography equipment and accessories, you can just start clicking images anytime, though at a later phase you will learn techniques that will fine-tune your photographic skills further. The first question that every photographer has is, how do I take a great picture? 1. Make mistakes. Every expert was once a beginner. Remember this one line before starting. When you are new, there is nothing to lose. Make as many mistakes as you can, but don't get frustrated with your mistakes. Learn from them and develop your skills further. 2. Get close as you can to your subject. Try to fill the gap around your subject by approaching as close as you can to him. This will fill the frame of your picture with the subject only. You will see the difference between the pictures clicked from a close distance than when you clicked the same subject from a far distance. You will see the fine detailing of your subject. 3. Click as much as you can. We all know that practice makes a man perfect. This can be said rightly for all the new photographers reading this article. If you are a new photographer, click as many pictures as you can, of the same or of different subjects to find your masterpiece with different angles. This will help you in mastering technical skills of photography. 4. Use light. If you learned how to take advantage of a light source and utilize the source of light, whether it's a natural source like the sun or an artificial source of light like a lamp or something, you can make an ordinary picture look extraordinary. 5. Using flash. If you are a new photographer, you might think that you only need a flash when it's too dark or when you are clicking pictures indoor, but this is not true. You might have come across a very common problem of uneven shadow patterns. Those have spoiled your shots when you were taking pictures in the bright sunlight. To resolve this issue, you need to on the flash of your camera and put extra light on your subject. This will help you in getting rid of those shadows. Lastly, 6. Invest in books. Read about the experts in the field of photography, as you can learn more about the techniques used by them and get inspired by their great work. Merely having an expensive camera and accessory won't guarantee you great pictures. If you have the right technique, you can even click extraordinary pictures with the help of a simple smartphone. That's it for today's video. See you on our next video. If like this video, just hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button for updated videos and share it with your friends. Bye.